Welcome back to the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. We are currently sitting on the $419.23 mark on the S&P 500. It is Thursday, May 18th, 7:07 p.m. And as you can see, we've had a couple of boom candles on the daily. And what we really need to do right now is consolidate here a bit. We are currently on the daily time frame. Now, we still have move to run up on the daily, so I think you'll see a consolidation phase on the 30-minute to the 2-hour time frame going into tomorrow. Let me take you to the 2-hour. So you can see we're already beginning. We've got kind of a pin needle up here, letting us know that we're going to probably come down, consolidate. We're going to back test this 418.12 level. It is critical that we hold the 418.12 level. If we do fall below it, we absolutely cannot fall back into this green top portion of this symmetrical triangle, this huge symmetrical triangle that we've been in forever. Because if we fall back into that, we're going to have to start looking at possibly getting bearish again, depending on what we see going on. But right now, even on the 2-hour, we have a full bullish divergence on the EMAs, looking good. So just now getting a swing to the upside on the MACD. And yeah, we need to cool a little bit. Obviously on the RSI. We could come up a little more, but I think we're going to enter a cooling phase now where we get some chop in here. And that's what we need to see. But keep in mind that just because we're cooling doesn't mean we have to come like all the way back down here, okay? That just means we have to cool and let people think, and you know, we need new buyers to step in. And I heard Cathie Wood's ETF made some major purchases today, so I'm sure that drive up the market some. And I don't know that she would be buying right now if she didn't think we weren't seeing a potential for some big moves up here. So like I said, the longs are kind of stuck at some of these upper ranges. Let me take you to the, let me look at the daily. I want to look at the daily back there again, because I want to look and see how our case is building there with the divergence. Yeah, see, we have a full bull divergence on the daily. We're supported by the 20-day. We still have room to run up on the daily. So really the bear case begins tomorrow. If you see, because we're still kind of got a bull case in these higher time frames, the bear case begins tomorrow if you break down inside of this green symmetrical triangle again. Now, if you were to break down in it and then get back up top side of it and get back on top the 418.12, that then becomes very bullish again. So watch for this chop tomorrow. Don't get faked out. We should be entering at least a small consolidation phase in this area. Now, one last thing I want to say. Now, this is my opinion. I've given you the bull case, which is pretty obvious. I've given you the bear case to look for on some levels we might break. Okay? I'm not seeing any divergences right now that make me think, oh, we're going to have a bear case in the immediate future. I do see that like on the monthly, but not to where it's going to happen right now, okay? Because of what I'm seeing on these lower time frames. So I'm not even going to get into all that. But what I think is going to happen, this is my opinion, I think tomorrow we flag, we backtrace, and then intraday we try and get a boom to that 421.27. Now, whether we get top side of that and get support, I think is questionable. I think we could do it. I think on the 2-hour, that initial pin we see on that one, like you would see like right here on this, on the daily, this is very obvious on a daily that like, okay, daily we're pretty much done, then we get to move to the downside, right? But look at this candle. Not looking that way. That's just a temporary, I think, on the 2-hour for some flagging, and then we're going to go up. I truly believe we're headed up to 421.27, and I think I'm going to go out and I'm going to say, yeah, we're going to get support there. I think we've got that move in us for tomorrow. So I've given you the bear case to look for. I've given you the bull case. and I've given you my opinion. This has been the Market Wolf. We'll see you next time.